Hey, good afternoon, folks. Yeah, a big rain event over our area and all the way back into the hill country. You take a look at the satellite loop and you see right up there under that banner a large area of rain. Some flood advisories in the hill country now as that moved in northeast towards the Metroplex. Other big rain events from, say, the area in the brush country to our northwest through the northern crossroads and now into the Houston metro area. And as you saw earlier on our Doppler estimates, 1 to 2 inches in our own area, right on the north end of Matagorda Bay, and then back down to the south, we're about 8/10 of an inch towards Seadrift. So some pretty good rainfall totals, about 2/10 of an inch right here in the city. But it's much, much cooler than what we saw yesterday. Holding at 60 degrees right now, 54 at San Antonio, 41 right now in Lubbock. So there is cold air in place. It's not going to stay there though. So today, if you want cold air, enjoy it right now. Upper 50s to lower 60s, even cooler out west. Water temperature, there was 74 yesterday, 71 at Malachite Beach. And the dew points are much lower. That's the change in air mass. Now you're looking at a continental polar air mass, although it's saturated, but dew points only in the mid 50s to the west and lower 60s instead of lower 70s, about 10 degrees drop in those dew points, so it's not nearly a stuffy feeling. And visibilities where it has been raining down to around 5 miles along the coastline. Orange Grove down towards Alice where it's still raining some, less than 2 miles, and we'll see that go on down because of the residual moisture with some fog and drizzle overnight, so prepare for that for your Sunday morning. Now here is the big picture though. The rain and thunderstorms you saw on that analysis now on your computer model shift off to the north and northeast. Still some residual clouds and precipitation tonight, not a lot. And then you'll see as the warm front backs over us, big rise in temperatures tomorrow. Still some lingering isolated showers. Nothing really significant there. In fact, if you look at the actual calculated amounts, maybe 1/10 of an inch or less, and then it shuts off. Reason it does, supporting upper level trough leaves us, and then you start to see this high down here, this ridge builds over us. By the middle of the week, we'll be pushing 90 degrees around here, and it'll be next weekend before our next system comes on in and gives us a chance for rain on your Saturday. So we're watching this. It looks like a pretty good week coming up, but tonight, a little cool, a little damp out there, some drizzle, some fog, 62 your overnight low, which is not much different than what you're seeing right now, and then rising on up to around 80 degrees tomorrow. Big difference there for you with that southeasterly wind, 10 to 15, even 20 miles an hour. But after that, only an isolated shower or two on your Sunday. Sunday night, 68 degrees. And then as you go through the week, the heat comes back. We're looking at upper 80s. A lot of folks will be around 90 degrees by Wednesday. And then finally, as you move on into your Saturday, isolated showers return to the area. So we're going to be looking at a work week that's looking awfully nice. And it'll be bookended by rain this weekend and next. So out and enjoy the coolness while you got it. The heat is coming back. Seth?
If you're working from home, hopefully your air conditioner works. Thanks, Bill.